Hi, I'm Wendy and I'm the floral designer here at Sage & Bloom at the Houstonian. Sage & Bloom is a full-service floral design studio, so we offer anything as large as weddings all the way down to just something small for date night. So Sage & Bloom started with the goal of creating a place for members and guests to go to for beautiful floral arrangements, and also to elevate what we can offer at our hotel, at our spa, and at our club. My background is actually rooted in graphic design, and when I got to Houston, flowers were kind of a hobby of mine for a little bit. It just kind of turned into a full-time career before I knew it. I started at a small studio, and I worked there for about 5 years before I came here and joined the Houstonian. The way that I like to approach flower design is to really think about color, texture, movement. So I don't believe that you should always stick to the rules. I think there's a lot of leeway to break the rules and just do what you think looks really pretty and what looks natural. And so when I go to the wholesaler and I choose product, I'm looking for seasonal blooms. I really love to support local flower growers. I try to support Texan flower growers especially. And I just try to pick things that I think will look good together, that will give some kind of shape and balance to the arrangement. And that's just what I like to work from. There's nothing more gratifying than seeing someone's face light up when they get a flower arrangement, especially if it's my work. Knowing that I made someone smile, knowing that I made someone's day better, it's really why I do this job.